Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Sleep is a status effect that incapacitates most regular enemies briefly. During sleep, enemies stop moving and ignore your approach. You can land guaranteed critical hits while they remain asleep. Bosses and large foes typically resist sleep or require heavy buildup. Use sleep strategically against groups and hard minibosses to create openings. Remember that sleep ends when the enemy takes enough damage or is near other enemies. First, equip a sleep delivery method like sleep arrows, sleep ash, or a sleep incantation. Ashes of war or weapon skills can add sleep buildup to your main weapon. Apply sleeper coatings or consumables to arrows for ranged buildup. Approach quietly to get a stealth opening before the sleep triggers. When the buildup threshold reaches, the enemy will fall asleep and allow a critical attack. Practice combining coatings and weapon ash for fast buildup. Start fights from a safe distance using sleep arrows and consumables to build status. If the enemy resists, retreat and repeat buildup while avoiding hits. When sleep lands, move in for a critical attack and then retreat to reset aggression. Combine sleep with spirit ash summons or ranged spells for layered control. Always carry antidotes for other ailments and be prepared to switch tactics when bosses show heavy resistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.